So this is a tool. I have quite a few of them, but this time I just decided to show it to all of you. It is just a simple battery tester. It cannot get any simpler than this. It requires no batteries. It has no batteries. It doesn't need charge. It doesn't take charge, but it can test all your batteries because that's all it is. It's like a tiny voltmeter for your batteries. So before we get in, here's where you put your 9-volt batteries. Yes, it measures 9 volts. You can do mini cells. You can do button batteries. And this is the slider right here. And it has a nice little chart on the back to show you what's up and down with the batteries. 1.5 volts and 9 volts and all that good stuff. Now, let me try a button battery, which I know is gone, but we're going to try it anyway. Let me put it right here. Okay, and yep, it says it's gone because the button batteries are shown on that lower arch that you see right there, the tiny red and the big green. Yep, that's for this button battery, but I knew this battery was gone. So now let me try this battery, which should be very weak, if not completely gone. Really quick, you put it right here, and as you see, it's on the low side. Yeah, it's on the low side. But this one I know is a good battery. So let's see how this one shows up right here. And as you see, boom, the needle went to the very end. Now, these ones should all be good actually because I didn't have any bad batteries. But I'm going to try the big one too and see what it does. Yep, and it went through the very end of it really quick. And yes, you can measure the 9-volt batteries as well. Let me just put it here on the top. As you see, it has the polarity on top. Then you have minus and plus, negative and positive. And you put, well, it doesn't fit otherwise because it has some kind of notch right there for the positive that it negative doesn't fit even if you wanted to, but don't try it anyway. And you just place it like this. And as you see, the needle went where it's supposed to be. Good battery. Yep, really good battery. Now let's try a AAA. Of course, if we don't try a AAA, that's not a good job. Let me just put it here. Boom. Yep, this is perfect. And that's pretty much it regarding this battery tester. You probably see them more than you want to, but in case you never had one or tried one, trust me, this will make your life much easier when it comes to measuring and testing batteries, because it's easier to have this than have a whole multimeter and all that. Now, multimeters, yeah, they have their own advantages and all that good stuff, but for a quick one, yeah, especially for the price, you cannot beat this one. Let me give you some quick measurements in millimeters, since probably internationally is recognized easier. The length of the tool is around 68.5 or 68.5. The thickness right here is 15.4, and the width would be right here, 19.4. And yes, as I said, all the features that it has and batteries that it does are just these right here. Of course, the battery, when you place it, it's always negative on the top side and positive on the lower side. And boom, there you have it. It's just a very quick demo on how good these tools are. In case you always watched one somewhere or seen one somewhere, but you wondered if it's any good. Yes, it is absolutely not only good, it is great. I highly suggest you have one of these with your tools. I have a few, but you can have at least one. Give it a try. You'll love it.